Isa chose presentation, and how well did she do it? First of all, I liked your enthusiasm and fluency with which you presented the material. I also liked the questions that you asked to the audience, because in this way you established bond with the audience, and you maintained it throughout your speech. So you didn't let anyone go away from the main point of your speech. As well as that, you supported your main points of the speech with very well thought over arguments and examples. So I could see that you were diligently prepared for the presentation. You displayed good knowledge of the theme that you presented. The thing that I liked the most was the topic that really referred or corresponded to our needs, because all of us knew exactly what technology is, how useful it is in our daily life, and we could identify with the topic. You also encouraged us to become more involved, to probe the theme even more, as to become career-oriented in IT. And this was quite interesting and put in a very persuasive way. So your speech resulted in powerful message, and this is something I liked. The thing that I would suggest for improvement was at some points talking too fast, too much. So sometimes try to limit the number of words at the cost of the pauses, enhancement, saying something more loudly in order to let us think on it during your speech, to focus and to integrate it with our knowledge. Another thing, there was one slide that I would divide into parts, because you put several questions, I think as many as 5, and I would put them on separate slides in order to draw our attention. Because you referred to it several times, I would put those things on separate slides. I have this rule, the less the better, when it comes to presentation, because the less is visible on slides, the more we will remember at once. And coming back to the great points of your presentation, I would like to emphasize that it was a very powerful message, very well tailored to our needs, very well prepared and conducted. We could easily follow it. You used a lot of enthusiasm, energy, examples, and cheerful style that help us to identify with your message, and you also established great bond with the audience. So congratulations, Isa. Thank you very much.